This is fit for a 2014 through 2016 Toyota Highlander. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system. The system is using the JetStream load bars in silver, 60 inches in length, the BaseLine towers, and the vehicle-specific BaseLine pad and clip set number BC130 for the front and rear position. The bars are in a predetermined fixed location 32 inches from front to rear, center to center. The maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.